this he would take a mathematics session on an interesting way for around 20 minutes, and thereafter we can have our proceedings of the regular Rotary. Meenu Choki is a memory development trainer. He trains people of all ages, school and college students, professionals, housewives and senior citizens. He has experience of training over 5,000 students in the last 12 years. He has performed more than 600 mathematics shows all over Mumbai, and the articles have been featuring in the newspapers and the magazines. He has performed abroad in Colombo, Sri Lanka, Australia, North America, Zoroastrian, Toronto, Canada, Quest for Global, Bali, Indonesia, Barcelona, Spain, Texas, Houston, USA. He has written articles on the memory development for Navbharat Times, Jame, Jamshed and Parsi Times newspaper. He has done the courses from the Bombay Adult Education Association and is stood first in all locations. He is an honorary member of Rotary Club of Bombay Hill South, which is the recognition he got, the second person after General Sam Manekshaw of that particular club. He is a green belt in karate and a very fine tennis player. He is a permanent life member of Bombay Adult Education Society, Kanga Cricket Library, Indian Institute of Astrology. He is a marathoner also because he has completed ran and completing 21 km standard chartered Mumbai Marathon and Vasai Virar Mir Marathon. So with this, I invite you to take over.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Can't hear you. Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, it's a great pleasure to be here today. I'm going to perform before you my own memory skills, mathematics skills, and I'm going to show you how you can all increase your memory. I have 3 calculators. I want someone to check the answers. Will you do it, sir? Okay, यहाँ से कौन करेगा? Would like to check the answers? आप करोगे? And one more. Yes. Yeah. To begin with, can you give me a 2-digit number? Any big number?
99.
99. Any other 2-digit number?
27.
27. It's actually small, but anyway, if you multiply 27 and 99, the answer is 2673. Is it right?
Yes, right.
Okay. Give me a number which I can square for you. Any 2-digit number. Quickly.
64.
64 square is 4096. देख तो कीजिए सही भी होगा गलत हो सकता है. Is it right, sir?
87.
87 square is 7569. बराबर है? Is it right? How many of you are Gujarati here? No one knows it. Okay. Okay, this was my thing where you needed the calculator. Give me your date of birth and I can tell you the day on which you are born. Or marriage anniversary also. Yeah.
2008.
Okay. So full date of birth. Full date of birth. 26 October. 1 second. Sunday. Is it right? Okay. Yes, sir.
5 July 2006.
5th July 2006. You look very young then. It's your child.
Marriage.
Okay. Okay. 1 second. Wednesday.
Yes.
Okay. Who else? Someone from the back. Yes.
6
Yes.
January 1979.
6 January. I'm 6 February, but not 79. Okay. 1 second. Friday. Okay. 2 more. Any last 2 people? Yes.
19 December 1957.
19 December 57. Thursday. Yes. The last one. What पूछेगा? Okay. Okay. 2 more. Sorry.
22nd November.
Yes.
2010.
2010. Okay. That's our Monday. Yes, sir. Last one.
2nd December 51.
2nd December 51. It's a very lucky day. Your birthday is coming. Sunday. The day is also lucky. Okay, I demonstrated my own skills before you. Now, how many of you think that memory is good? Raise your one hand. And how many of you feel memory is bad? कुछ याद नहीं रहता है. Raise both your hands. Okay. The people who didn't raise their hands are the ones who are right, because in reality, memory is not good, not bad. Then it is what? It is either trained, and if not trained, it is no. If not trained, it is untrained. So, to develop our memory, train our memory, three things are needed. I, O, C. What is I? Sorry?
Intelligent.
Close, but not the right answer.
Interest.
Again close, but not exactly right. Very close though.
Interest.
Interesting, okay. Mr. Sharma didn't come today. The man who is full of imagination. That's a hint. I stands for imagination. That's a hint. What does O stand for?
Observation.
Right. And what does C stand for? All students, parents complain to me, my son, my daughter doesn't study with C. Concentration. Now, instead of talking about this, I like to give a practical example. So can everybody stand up? सब लोग खड़े हो जाइए. I'm going to show you the 5 trees of London with an exercise. First is oak, which is a tall tree. Raise your hand and say oak. What's the first tree? Louder. Oak. After oak comes beech, which is normally down. So let's go down. Beech. Okay. So what's the first tree of London? Oak. After oak, beech. Now comes chestnut. Hit your chest and say chestnut. And after chestnut comes L. Touch your eye and say L. And the last one is maple. Okay. Show me the trees of London. क्या आपको बताया? Oak, beech, chestnut, L, maple. Now the other way round. Chestnut, beech and oak. Very good. Now you can sit down. So, what was I? We spoke about I. I stands for
Imagine.
imagination. Everybody has imagination. Or how many know the Newton story of what? What falling down? Apple. If many people saw it, he was the only one who used his imagination and he discovered what? Gravity. So everyone can be as imaginative if you use your mind correctly. What does O stand for? Observation. Let us play 2 observation tricks here. What is this? 9. Can you make this a 6? Then becomes 11.
Reverse.
Then becomes 11.
Reverse 6.
Upside down.
If you want to make it a 6, just put a S. And it became a 6. What's your name now? Okay, spell it.
CHETTIAR.
Panda. What's your name?
Nagesh.
Okay, spell it.
NAGESH.
Panda. Last one. Lucky number person. 2nd December. Satish. Spell it. किसने समझ में आ गया? What I'm saying? Spell it. Absolutely right. It is IT. I'm saying spell it. We are so busy in our day-to-day life, we never are alert enough. Concentration के लिए we'll show you a practical exercise rather than talk about it. I started the program with some Vedic math calculation tricks. Now let us come to some Vedic math shortcuts. So, without using a calculator, what's 5 into 5? 25. Okay, what's 15 into 15? 225. And what's 25 into 25? 625. Now, if I ask you, what is 75 into 75? How many of you know the answer? How many of you know the trick? What's the answer, sir?
5625.
Absolutely right. What he did was 5 5s are 25. And after 7 comes 8. What is 7 8s are? 56. So, if it's a big number, like 125 into 125, how do I get the answer for this? 5 5s are 25. And now, what comes after 12? 13. Do you know? I think 12 13s are, we may not know, but everyone knows 12 12s are. Very well known square. 144 plus 12?
156.
156. 6. This is the answer. Everyone knows 12 square, but how many of you know 21 square?
441.
It's just the ulta. आपने कभी observe किया है? 12 का ulta is 21. So and 13 square is 169. 31 will be 961. Okay, we spoke about 3 laws of memory. There are 5 keys of memory also. One is I, one is C, one is B, one is A, one is R. So what is I? No, it's not E, it's I. I stands for? वो तो हो गया सर. अभी और कुछ और होगा. आपको ऐसे किसी ने ये शब्द बताया था?
Imagination.
No, no. Intelligence. किसने बोला? You said it right. I stands for intelligence. And along with intelligence, you need C. What is C? Oh, again हो गया. It will be something else. Unless you don't have C, neither in memory nor in public speaking, can you succeed. You need lots of confidence. V and A. Normally we mug up answers. Instead of that, we need to visualize and associate. Then it becomes much more easier. And after doing all this, unless you don't do R, you forget everything. So what is R? Sorry?
Rehearse.
Very close. 90% right? Revision. 100% is revision. But revision within how much time? After learning something new, कितने घंटे में रिवाइज करना चाहिए? आधे घंटे में? और पे 1 घंटा बोलेगा फिर तो. Within 8 hours, you have to revise. Your number is 9987526205. I heard it and I revised it 2-3 times. Now I would never forget it. So all of you can develop that kind of memory provided you do your revision regularly. Okay, I'd like to give some sheet here. And before that, how many of you believe your concentration का problem concentrate नहीं होता है? या मुश्किल होता है concentrate? absent minded कितने लोग हैं यहाँ पे? Okay, then there is a exercise for you. You also. Okay. What's the time at this watch? 8:35. Is it visible to all?
Yes.
So आप वहाँ जाएंगे आप तीनों? You can also see it. Just take this bindi. I'm giving to all of you. Just pass it on. Take one and put it on your head and let it remain. We'll do whatever we have to do, but after 10 minutes at 8:45, you have in this watch, not in your watch. You have to stand up, shout your name aloud, and remove this. Let's see how many of you remember and how many of you don't remember. Ready? Yeah. Just take one and pass it on. And I'm distributing this date of birth sheets to all of you. Mix them all. So can you just take one and pass it on? I guess everyone should get one. In the meanwhile, if anyone has any date of birth date that you want to know, you can ask me.
2nd August 1973.
2nd August 73. Thursday. Yes. 15th April 2004. Wednesday. Yeah.
15 November 2007.
Together. 15 is a lucky day to be born on. 15 November 2007. Thursday. Right? Okay. Okay, आप सबको I think date of birth का sheet मिल गया है. Now, you can tell any name from here. I'll tell you, thank you, the day on which that person is born. And then I will make you all know your own date of birth. I'll make you all learn it. To start with, give anybody's name from the sheets.
Rahul Seth.
Rahul Sheth is on 14th May. Right?
Alka Shah.
Sorry, huh?
Alka Shah.
Alka Shah. 13 November. 20th of October.
Sudhir Tiwari.
18 July. 1st June. You know him? Smile when he said it. Okay?
Archal Jain.
But he's from New Bombay, so I thought you might know him.
Archal Jain.
He's not in the list. Arthur Jain is not in the list. That's your name. Then who's in it? Harshal Jain. Yeah, sorry. I thought Arthur Jain. 28th of September. Two more.
Dolly Iran.
11th of September.
Ajit Kamal.
13th of January. Now, I gave you these people's birthdays and I have remembered some 5,000 people's birthdays and phone numbers. How is it possible? I can't ask everyone's birthday and remember. I use a technique called groupism. So, we are going to employ this thing here. How many of you are born in February? Wow, you're with me. Kaplan, come here. Yeah, Ajay? Mr. Gaurav, birthday?
16.
Okay, I'm 6th. Okay, Mr. Gaurav is born on 6th February. I'm sorry. 16th February and my name is Meenu. I'm born on 6th February. One निकाल दे तो same हो जाएगा. Okay. Ma'am, your name?
Priya.
Priya. Birthday?
9th February.
9th February. Okay. 6, 9, 15. Yeah, at 16. Sorry. Okay, then we are not in a sequence. Okay, Miss Priya, will you please come here? You're before her. Yeah, 1 week apart from each other. So again, after you know, even if you group people, you have to repeat the birthday 2-3 times. Who is born on 6th Feb?
You.
No, never say you. See the name. Meenu. Even if it's your own self, you have to say your own name. Who is born on 9th? Priya. Who is born on 16th? Gaurav. Okay, your name, sir? Kirti Shinoy. Okay. Wow, birthday? 10th February. Then you're after her. Okay, so observation here too, 2 people in single digits, 2 people in double digits. Always keep on employing your mind and make it interesting. Okay, we'll go out of turn before we call another month. 15th November, 15th April. Why don't both of you come here? 15th November, that's you, right?
No.
We told the wedding.
Okay. Okay, then it's only 15th April. What's your name?
Rishika.
Rishika, birthday?
15th.
Okay, 15th April is whose birthday? Rishika. I said, and yet I asked it. This happens when you become
Big.
absent-minded. That's the reason you have put this thing here, so that you can, let me just, don't cover this. You know what you have to do. Okay, now, my next favorite month is June. Who's born in June? Nobody? Okay, who's born in April? Okay, we just call 2 people, mother, daughter. Answer you also. And before, while they come, who's born on 6th Feb? 16th Feb? 10th Feb? 9th Feb? And who's born on 15/4? 15th April? Rishika. Okay. Your name is Mr. Chetia. Birthday? 5th April. Wow, what a coincidence. Okay. But I called April. Okay, you are already in April. Okay. So Mr. Chetia is on 5th April. Just like we are 6/16, they are 5/15. Okay. And your name, ma'am? Birthday?
14th April.
Wow, this come before. Rashmi is on 14th. And Priya is on 9th April. 9th Feb. And your name?
Sandy.
Birthday?
9th.
Wow. The before.
We have another one in 15th April.
She is 15th April.
Sandesh was 15th April.